Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe in my channel if you are new here. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can incorporate categories and tag in your post. And it is very much handy if you have your post tagged and categorized when you are going to show them in your blog post later on. So here you can see that I have a lot of posts already there, and I would like them to be, here you can see they're uncategorized. Okay, they don't have any categories because it is by default taking as uncategorized, and no tag as well. And I would like all my healthy food healthy food post should go under healthy category, and my nutrition should go under nutrition category, and going vegan, I would like them to be under vegan categories. So for now, I'm going to show you just two of them, and the rest of them I'm going to make myself, but you can do it on your own. And also I would like some of my posts to be under tagging, not all of them. So let's say we just start with the nutrition 2 here. So here it is uncategorized. So go here, edit it, okay? And you can see that here you can categorize them. All right. So now you can see that nutrition, as I said, that nutrition should go under nutrition categories, and how I have made the categories you can see by following this series, and go in the description box and see the video creating a category. So nutrition 2 goes in the nutrition categories, and I just take it from the uncategorized. You can actually get a post in 2 to 3 different categories, but for now I'm just keeping my nutrition 2 in nutrition categories, and the nutrition 2 should go with a tag as well and a featured image. So maybe I have this feature image as this one. Just for now I'm giving a feature image. So, and how you're going to go with a tag, I'm showing you right now. So here write the tag. So I would like nutrition to be tagged as beta. And we already created this tag earlier, and that's why when I wrote beta, they came out. So if I wrote alpha, and you see it already, because these are the tags I already created, and how I created tag, that also have a video, and from the description you get that as well. So update it, and we go back again in our dashboard, in our post. So we edited nutrition 2, right? So we're going for nutrition 2, and here now you can see that it has a category of nutrition and it has a tag of beta. So I'm going for again another one in another, from the first page. Let's say I'm going for vegan. So vegan one is uncategorized and untagged as well. So I'm going to quick edit, and here this time I'm showing you the quick addition. So in the category you can see it's already by default in uncategorized situation, but this is going vegan. The third category I would choose it as vegan, and here the tag I would like it to be tagged as the gamma. And you see we already have a tag named as gamma, and it automatically appeared. So you just choose it, and the status is already published. You can also keep it as draft. So I update it, and it's done. So here you can see that going vegan 6, that means going vegan Number 6 post is now under vegan category with a tag gamma. This tag and category is really handy when I'm going to show it when we're going to start making blog post. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned in my channel and please remember to subscribe.